All right, let's see what we got today. Got a little chipper. Got a 5-horse Briggs on it. Not too bad shape. It's an older one. Yeah. Looks like it's got some, maybe some critters in it. This turns over. It's IC motor. Yeah, not too bad, eh? $50. Okay, so first thing what we're going to do, we're going to check some obvious spots here. Air filter. Well, it's surprisingly clear. And I want to see if there's any critters in here. So let's check that right now, because I don't like the mice. Alright. There was just 4 10mm boats. Let's see if we got any critters. Oh, no critters. Okay. Well, let's put that back there. All right. Moving on. Well, actually, let's fix that coil before we proceed. We're doing okay. Okay. All right. Well, let's start over. Okay. You follow that right there. Oh, see it kind of skip a little bit. Did you hear that? It might be a bit of a weak spring. So that's 1. Let's just do 2. It's not very long of a cord, is it? Let's do 2 to start. Oh, let's try one more. Let's try 3. Oh, that's risky, huh? That is some risky business there. Okay. Get that to stop. Alrighty. Let me get that a little bit of a burn on the end there, and I'll bring it back. Alrighty. There we are. Okay. Move your pen. There we go. Much better. All right, it's all back together. Let's get it back on the machine. All right, so we are going to check the spark now that we got our little coil there fixed up. Smush it. There we go. We're looking right here for the spark. Okay. Move you over a little bit. Right about there. Sorry about the shaking. Okay, you ready? Let's there's off. Run. There's off, so okay, so the kill should not be on there. Alright. See if she's got spark. Oh yeah, she got plenty of spark there. Hey. Wow, yeah, she got plenty of spark. Okay. Well, it felt a little bit of resistance there. So what we would do, we're going to take that spark plug out, check the spark plug, and throw a little bit of that deep creep in there, you know. All right. Before we do that, we're going to check the oil here. Oh. She's got a lot of oil. Too much. I think I know what's wrong with this. Oh boy. Yep. This is I think the gas is mixed with the oil a little bit, or they just put way too much in there. Smells a bit like gas. I'm gonna extract a little bit of that real quick before we try to start it. Well, that did not look like it had any fuel in it. It just looked like it was pretty much just plain old too much oil. I extracted it nice and thick, so yeah, maybe just too much oil. That's not that bad. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of this deep creep in there. If anything's sticking there or anything like that, I'm just gonna go really slow. Okay. All right. That rattle, that's those beaters inside that drum right here. I don't know how many times I've come across these that they thought that the motor was bad because when they pulled it over it made that noise. Okay, yeah, later on we'll hit it with some PB blaster and that. Okay, well, let me pull a little something down in there, and yeah, let's get this door open and fire this thing up. Okay, we got a little choke action going. Put a little something down in there. All right. Okay, fingers crossed, eh? Choke, idle. Come on, baby. There we go. Warm up a little bit. Woo-wee. All right. Let's put that air cleaner on there and try that again, huh? Boy, oh boy. The stuff you find on the marketplace is pretty cool. All right, so let's get we're still going to probably go over it and that, but let's fire that thing back up. That was kind of fun, wasn't it? All right, blue choke action. Boy, oh boy, I think we're all right now. I think we're ready to, maybe ready to chip already. Boy, oh boy. Let's give those beaters a fighting chance, eh? Turn it a little bit. I'm gonna turn it. There we go. Oh man. Come on. There we go. Look for the dry ones. All right. Put this back on there. Pin. Kind of lucked out. You never see this this pin in these things, you know. You never see the pin in those. They're always gone. Lose them and that. Okay. Let's give it a little bit of action down there. Okay. Let's go at chipping. Alright, so this tree right here, that branch broke because we got a lot of that snow. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this thing up and feed it some of that and see what we got. Boy, oh boy. Can't ask for better than that. 50 bucks, eh? Well, I guess it was somewhat of a repair today. Well, like always, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Got lots to do.